attend the class of Edudigm.
Very good.
So friends, right now we are going to Edudigm Office at 12th floor.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Happy Holi! So as you know, today is Holi and today we played a lot. So let's hand the mic over to Mr. Aryan. So friends, happy Holi to everyone. I will make a vlog of Holi special microwave vlog with your microwave using bread. So friends,
Aniket, you want to say something?
Happy Holi! Today I slayed many people today and today many people came down against me and almost killed me. Bye. And give
Wow.